Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this payment method has already been added to your account. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the setting app, scroll it down, tap on channel. First of all, you have to update your device, then go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to make sure that if you are properly connected with internet, then tap on screen time, scroll it down a bit, tap on content and privacy restriction, turn off content and privacy restriction. Then close this page. Now from here you have to open the settings. Now tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down a bit, tap on media and purchases. From here guys, you have to tap on view account. From here you have to wait some seconds. Let me tell you that you have to wait because it's loading. After that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to put the password if it's asking. So let's wait guys. As you can see guys, it's asking me to put the password, so let me put the password guys. Now I have given the password. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds. Now you can easily see guys, is the page. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on manage payments. Now from here guys, you have to make sure that if you are given correct credentials. Now from here guys, you have to tap on billing address and you have to select the country. So from here you have to select the same country in which your debit or credit card is made. Now go back. Again go back. From here you have to tap on country origin. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys because it's loading. So from here guys, you can select change country origin option. So wait some second, and after that guys, you have to select change country origin. Now you can see here guys, tap on change country origin. Now from here guys, you have to select your country. So you can see a lot of countries. So from here you have to select the country. So let me select the country. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds again. So these are the terms and conditions. If you are agree, tap on agree. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to select your payment method. Now from here you have to scroll it down, put the billing name, and here you have to put the billing address. So you have to put the billing address. So you can put fake one as well. Now you have to write the city name. Now after you have to put the postcode. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, and just simply have to put the phone number. So you can put fake one as well. Tap on next, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.